Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today we will talk about how to fix Google Meet on my Android phone 2026, and this video will help you solve common Google Meet problems easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and restart it to refresh the system and clear temporary glitches. To do this, press and hold the power button and volume down button together. Choose the restart option from the menu, confirm it and let your phone reboot automatically because restarting often fixes app issues quickly. Step 2. After the restart, you should clear the Google Meet cache to remove corrupted temporary data. Open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down, tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications, and this menu is important because it shows all the installed apps and their controls. Step 3. Inside the Apps menu, use the search bar at the top and type Google Meet to find it faster. Tap on Google Meet from the results to open the app information page where you can manage permissions, storage, data usage, and other useful options. Step 4. Now scroll a little and open the storage menu for Google Meet to manage its saved data. Here you will see two options, clear cache and clear storage. So tap both options carefully to clean unnecessary files that may cause errors. Step 5. If your problem still continues, you should check whether an update is available for Google Meet. Open the Google Play Store, use the search bar, type Google Meet and open the app page because updates fix bugs and improve compatibility. Step 6. Now choose the app page and look for the update button, and if you see it, tap to install the latest version. If there is no update option, uninstall the app, confirm it, then reinstall Google Meet, complete the download, sign in again, and this will fix Google Meet on my Android phone 2026 effectively. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the Fix Your Apps channel for more helpful guides.